See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile. Hello, Ariel, is that you, girl? Come to the party. Ariel, we're outside. Ariel, we're outside. Come to the party. Come to the reef. Hello, Ariel. Can Ariel come out to play? Sebastian's throwing a big bash. They lit over there at the reef, girl. Going for a swim. Ariel's going for a dip. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a Little Mermaid makeup look. I'm very excited about the movie and excited to see Holly play Little Mermaid. And I will be in attendance with my daughter. As you can see, I already prepped my face with the Wet n Wild primer, and I'm going in with the LA Girl concealer, and I'm color correcting with that as well. After I apply that, I just go ahead and blend out with my beauty blender. And as you can see, Lonnie's over here doing her makeup as well. She got a cute little palette, girl. She's getting into it. Get into it, boo. So I'm about to get started with my eyebrows. I have this Benefit brow styler that I have been obsessed with for years. As you can see, there is barely any product, but I'm gonna keep, you know me, I'm gonna keep on keeping on, baby. So I'm gonna put that right on my eyebrows. I pretty much just line my eyebrows with the pencil, and then I'll go in with the other side as a dip powder, and I'll just shade in or fill in the rest of my brows with that as well. I love a good gel or a powder brow. This one in specific just goes on so smooth and so easy, and I can just manipulate it however I want. And you know what's next, LA Girl. We're gonna put that up under my eyebrows just to clean it up. I didn't want to go too light because I wanted to still look natural, you know, like I've been swimming around, child, under the sea, honey. And after I blend that out, I'm just gonna go in with another concealer in K, multi-use concealer. I feel like when they say multi-use, you know, you can just use it for anything, like foundation, for instance. So yeah, that's what we're doing, blending it out. And I'm gonna go in with a lighter concealer under my eyes just to brighten it up a little bit more, just a little bit, not too much. Now I'll be going in with my favorite Too Faced chocolate gold palette. I'm gonna be using the color Famous all over my eyelid, packing it in with this shadow brush, and we'll just be blending that in. Next, I went in with Money Bags. I took that to the front of my eye and blended it out just to give it more definition. I was going to put it at the end, but I was like, no, let's put green in the front. And now I'm going to go ahead and set my face with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Banana Powder. Rihanna really changed the game for the makeup industry, but don't get me to preaching, child. Don't get me to preaching. The girls was going crazy. After I highlighted, I went in with this light blue and dark blue pencil. I put the light blue on first under my eyes, and then I went ahead and filled it in more with a darker pencil. And then I realized that I like the lighter better on the inside, so I put more of that on the inside. It looked good. After that, I went ahead and went back in with Fenty Beauty. This time I'm using 7-Day Weekend and Poolside, and it's time to make my scales, girl. So yeah, we just got them fishnets, and we gonna get to work, honey. Bam. Look at me. I'm a fish. So I'm gonna do that again on my forehead. Pack it in real good too. Pack it in real nice. And I'm gonna do one more side. Yeah, one more side right there. Cause what is a fish without scales? After that, I took that blue pencil and added another line to my upper eyelid. To give a little bit more fish, child. I tried to do the blue liner on my lips, wasn't really feeling it, so of course I'm obsessed with brown liner on my lips. I ended up doing that. I didn't feel like putting on false lashes, so I just did mascara on the top and bottom lash. Ariel don't have time to be putting on false eyelashes all the time, so y'all just gonna get what she give. I also added a little bit of mascara to my eyebrows, just to make them look a little bit more, I guess, thick, because I have thin eyebrows. And this is basically the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed filming this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.